Yeah, Poco M2 Pro. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Very good. What is your cell phone number? Sorry. Cell phone number.
807261.
Don't tell fully. Then you will say I have told my number outside. 80.
Last before 15 minutes, I sent a message. Hi, sir.
I know. Acha. Is your number ending with 114?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Good. 114. Did you send your CV? Yes, you have sent your CV.
Yes, sir.
Please tell me about yourself.
Good evening, sir. I am Vijay Lakshmi. I'm from Chengalpet. I completed my BSc Computer Science in Valiamal College for Women in 2013. After completing my graduation, I worked in a MMC Infotech. It is a customer service office. I worked for Citibank domestic customers. Then I got an opportunity to work at HDFC Bank in 2016. I joined as an assistant manager. Initially, my job role is to handle basic customer queries. That is first level customer queries. And based on my quality and performance, in 2020, I got promoted as deputy manager, and I got an opportunity to handle very high risk customer complaints which are posted in social media, banking ombudsman, PNO, and grievance redressal. And also I got an opportunity to had a conversation with various product managers to improve the process and product development to give a better resolution to customer. And my positive, I am handling loans and credit card complaints. And my positive are I am handle a team a very good manner. I'm a quick learner and a quick listener. And apart from that, I do a quality analysis. And my hobbies are cooking, gardening, and handlooming works. Handlooming means I will do a woolen works. And my husband is working as a research assistant in SRM, and I'm having a 4 years old kid.
Very good. Very good. Very good. So can you tell, you said you have high level of accuracy. Can you elaborate on that?
So I didn't get you. Accuracy.
You have given in your CV under skills and abilities, high level of accuracy. What is that you are meaning?
So high level of accuracy means if a customer writes a complaint, if he has a complaint is, first I will do a root cause analysis, what customer needs, instead of probing. Usually if other officers means while doing a quality, I can able to say that officers can incorrectly probing or give the details. Based on that we will check and read. But I will first check what are the details available based on the customer complaint, and mostly I will give a customer resolution in first time itself, sir, to satisfy the customer in first response itself.
Very good. That's good. Now you are with HDFC.
Yes.
Can you tell me something about the recent changes that have happened in HDFC?
Recent changes.
That merger, you know. Hello.
No,
you don't know
idea,
about
sir.
You don't know about that. HDFC parent institution has taken over HDFC Bank, or HDFC Bank and HDFC, they have been merged, na? You don't know.
Actually, I know what HDFC Bank is derived from HDFC Limited, which is HDFC Limited is housing bank, loans giving for housing loans. And from HDFC only, HDFC Bank got derived to giving for deposit and lending loans to all customers. But I don't know the recent merger.
The recent, on April 4th, it has been told HDFC and HDFC Bank merger has happened. On how will the merger of HDFC Bank and HDFC Limited affect customers, since the proposed merged entity will be known as HDFC Bank? There will hardly be any changes for the customers of the bank. However, the same cannot be said about customers of home loan vendor. Here there is an article in Economic Times. I'm giving you that link in our
Okay, sir.
Telegram page.
Okay, sir.
1 minute. I'm giving you that in our Telegram page. Yeah. Where is it? Just a minute. I will search it. Yeah. This is the one. You must go through this afterwards.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
See, HDFC Bank merger, what does it mean?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Synopsis but padingo.
At the start of the financial year 2022 to 2023, the mortgage lender announced that it will be merged with HDFC Bank. Though the merger is yet to get regulatory approval, here is our customers
Continue.
and borrowers of HDFC Limited are likely to be impacted. Do note, the impact will be felt after 12 to 18 months.
Yeah, so please go through this. You may be getting questions on this. Certainly.
Sure,
yeah.
Sure,
so what is the nature of work you are doing now? Only receiving complaints and attending. So that means you don't have any experience in handling, say, day-to-day branch banking.
No, sir, I've not handled customer lively. Virtually only now I am handling customers through emails. And sometimes we also getting a sales opportunity that is not a big sales, like a service come sales. Like a fixed deposit opening, a recurring deposit opening, and loans, Insta loans. Customers have a pre-approved loans, no, so we can pitch that loans also.
So
but nowadays we are not.
How will you compensate for the lack of experience in dealing with customers personally? You are dealing everything virtually, not directly. Is it not an inconvenience for you that you are handicapped?
No, sir. No, sir. Surely no. So for me, whatever the job role is assigned to me, I will give my best and I give a better resolution to my team. That is the one thing I usually think. So whatever job role which is assigned to me, I will do, and I will give a better performance on that role.
What is the job role of a SBI CBO?
SBI CPO is obviously customer facing role only. It's like a customer relationship officer. We have to interact with customer on daily basis, assist customer in opening loans, accounts, deposits, and sometimes customer request regard processing customer checkbook request, demand draft request, like that. Like that, what are the branch operations are doing? The same role as SBI CBO, sir.
Very good. So what in your bank, do you have a system known as teller system, whereby the person in charge can give the cash directly without referring to the bank officer?
Sir, I didn't understand that.
No. That what have you come across teller in public sector banks?
Yes, sir. I visited tellers usually for cash withdrawals. For recently, I used
which bank?
HDFC only, sir. My home branch.
HDFC. No. Public sector banks you are not visited. Doesn't matter.
No, sir.
Doesn't matter. Now you see in HDFC bank, do you hold keys, cash keys and all?
It will be end of the day. It will be hand over to the branch manager, sir.
Acha. Oh, during day only you will be having it.
I don't have an idea because I don't know how the branch works. That is the thing. The basic, whenever I visit the branch for my needs, I can able to understand what the operations are done. So the teller will hand over the cash keys to branch at the end of the day.
No. Teller will hold it with him. He has to take it to his home and come. The cash has to be in the custody of 3 people normally. 2, one manager, one cash clerk, other one outer side, 2 other people will be having, so that it is properly protected. Now, I am coming to another important question. Are you aware of key movement register?
No, sir.
What is a key? Why key moment registers are maintained? Key moment registers are maintained in order to fix the accountability. Who is under whose custody the key was there when some mishappening happens? Do you follow? Purinjida?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, I can able to understand.
Very good.
To fix accountability if any misuse has happened.
Correct. Very good. Now, next question. Please, you are working in the branch. A
Okay, sir.
customer comes.
Yes,
You
sir.
are working in SBI. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Imagine you are working in SBI. A customer comes in. He is coming with an idea of getting details about a housing loan.
Okay, sir.
How will you explain to him?
Yes, sir. If you are customer means I welcome you. First, I check what is the base salary of customer and what is the expected loan amount that he needs. So based on the salary, if you have any first, if you have any parallel loans like personal or any loans, first I suggest customer to pre-close all the loans because for housing loans there is no parallel loans to be active loans to be there. So first I suggest, then based on that salary, I will suggest what the maximum loan amount he will get, and I will ask the documents like KYC documents, customer bank statement, customer if it is an open market customer, and customer salary slips, and document what the registration documents, a land document, and then I forward to the home loan department to process the customer request, and I will give a tag to the customers. Parallelly, I tag to the customer. So I will arrange a call back from home loan department to process the loan.
Good. You know what is the interest rate SBI is charging nowadays for bank housing loan?
7.5, sir.
நீங்க சொல்லி முடிக்கிறதுக்குள்ள மாறலாமா இருக்கும் யாரு கண்டா? Because you know when the repo rate was revised recently?
Repo rate day before yesterday to 4.9%, sir.
Very good. What is the impact of that on housing loan in HDFC?
So because of our repo rate increase, right,
Yeah,
sir?
yeah.
So obviously, if a repo rate increase, the home loan interest rate also increase.
How much the bank has increased? I think your bank has increased more. I think so. You please get to know about that. About your bank. About your bank. Sir, I think recently I read they revised, though the repo rate was revised by 40%, they revised it by 50 basis points or 60 basis points. And for subsequently, again, they have revised 50 basis points. So you please get to know about that.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, you want to come to SBI?
Yes, sir. It's my dream.
Why? You are working in the largest bank in India. You know, HDFC Bank is the largest bank in India. Are you sure? Are you aware of that?
Yes.
Yes.
Largest bank, private sector bank in India. But SBI is a brand. Every bank aspirant having a dream to join in SBI. No, first thing is a dream. And second thing, when I compare to HDFC Bank, the perks, salary benefits, and perks and allowance are greater.
Good. Can you name the few subsidiaries of State Bank of India?
SBI Life Insurance, SBI Credit Cards, SBI Home Loans. That's also, I cannot recollect more than that.
What happened? Suddenly forgot?
No, I can able to recollect these 3 things. But I have prepared that, but now.
1 minute, I'll tell you. I have given you in a folder, you know, SBI website. In that, it is given. All the things are given. It doesn't matter. You know, in Geo, how much investment has SBI made? 30%. 30%. 30%. Here I am having the list of companies in which non-banking subsidiaries, joint ventures, SBI Capital Markets, SBI General Insurance, SBI DFHI, SBI Mutual Fund. இதெல்லாம் நீங்க படிக்கணும்.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Please
sir.
go through the material I have given you. Please prepare. Okay. So what is the number of branches SBI has got now?
Around 22,000 branches.
Okay. What
If
is
I'm
the business position, total business position of SBI last half year?
It grows 50, more than 50% grows when I compare to last financial year. But I don't know the exact value.
So please get to know the exact details as on March 2022. I think even I have not given it as a, up to date. I'm not sure. Did you see, go through that, whether it is up to date? I think it is having only 2021. What I have given you is only 2021. I think I should download 2022 and give you. Please check up about that. 2022 end, how many branches, how much total advance, how much total deposits, what was the profit made. All these things are given under a press release. Q4 press release.
Yes, Q4 press release. Yes, sir. Yes,
adula paatha kandupidichullam. SBI, one நிமிஷம் நான் வச்சிருக்கேன் பார்க்கிறேன். I downloaded, but I don't remember now. SBI, मिल गया. SBI Q4 2022 press release. Shall I attach it to our what is that? Telegram page? I am attaching it. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah, press release. I've just attached. This is what it is. Please go through that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, very good. Then who is your role model?
My role model is my mother. Always my mother.
Always my mother. Which quality of hers would you like to copy?
As strong and facing what are the things till now he faces, he faces very strongly and bravely. I used to ask her, how can you manage all these things? Why you have where is that strong thing? So he faces everything in a strong manner. She never get upset or anything. She never fell down. She never got down itself. She very well planned everything, and for us also, she teaches very good qualities how to sustain our life. So
Excellent.
that is the biggest.
Excellent. You are married. How many kids do you have?
One boy, sir, 5 years old.
Very good. Best wishes. Which date you have interview?
14th, sir.
Good. Best wishes. Attend the interview with confidence. Please send me the list of questions through WhatsApp as one message. Don't put it in bracket like this. Put it as a Word document and send to me, or post it in our Telegram so that we can make use of it. If you want the list of questions, I think I have already given it in our folder itself. You know that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am noted out that, sir.
Please go through that. Best wishes. You started off very well.
Thank you so much, sir.
You started off very well. You ran like PT Usha.
Thank you so much, sir.
Subsequently, what happened? Some problems. So you started walking instead of running. Why? The latest things you are not prepared. That is the reason. Doesn't matter. I am not discouraging you. I am happy at least you had an exposure before you are going for the real ground. You know, these are the problems that will happen. Spend time in preparing yourself properly tomorrow, day after tomorrow, if necessary, by taking leave. I wish you all the best.
Sir, shall I get a second chance to get a mock interview, sir?
Which date is your interview? 15th.
14th, sir, 14th.
14th means 13th, 7:30 I can give you.
Okay, sir, sure, sir.
7:30, your number is 88071.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Please don't tell the full number, not required. Okay, if you think it will be useful, you can come. Otherwise, I won't compel you because one, normally in other candidates, I used to find they are not good in communication. In your case, you are talking with good communication skill, confidence level. Only thing lacking is knowledge regarding banking, pura regular things that they can ask you. And so if you study that and you are ready, you send a message to me on 13th morning so that you can join me. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Only
Okay,
if
sir.
you only if you are coming, you pay money on 13th morning. You can pay 200 rupees on 13th
Okay,
morning. 13th morning. Otherwise, you don't have to pay now itself. But because everything is okay, you only need some knowledge. ஒரு இடத்துல உட்கார்ந்து பொறுமையா படிக்கணும், படிச்சு புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். இன்னும் நிறைய கேள்விகள் கேட்கலாம். ஒண்ணுமே நான் உள்ள போகவே இல்லை இன்னும் உங்களுக்கு. கொஸ்டினுக்கே ஆரம்பிக்கல. புரிஞ்சுதா?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
பார்ப்போம். Best wishes. God bless you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. And one more doubt.
Yeah.
I'm completely on a back-end process. This is a branch process.
அதை நீங்க ஒத்துக்கவே கூடாது. பேக் எண்ட், பேக் ஃப்ரண்ட் எண்ட் சொல்லாதீங்க. பேங்க் எனக்கு தெரியும், பேங்க்ல என்ன பண்றாங்கன்னு தெரியும், கஸ்டமரோட பேசுவேன், கஸ்டமரோட சிரிச்சு பேசுவேன், அவங்கள அட்ராக்ட் பண்ணி கொண்டு வருவேன் அப்படின்னு தைரியமாக நீங்க சொல்ல வேண்டும். I know HDFC ல many of you sit at home and operate only emails. உங்களுக்கு இமெயில் தவிர பாரு ஒண்ணுமே தெரியாது பாதி பிள்ளைங்களுக்கு. அந்த மாதிரி நிறைய பேர். ஒரு ஹேமான ஒரு பொம்பளை இருந்துச்சு, அந்த பொண்ணுக்கும் she doesn't know anything else except this, but that should not make you handicapped, but prepare yourself properly and present other things, knowledge regarding banking. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Best wishes.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. And I will not post this video because you are not confident. I will give this link to you afterwards. கொஞ்ச நேரம் ஆகும் அதுக்கப்புறம்.
Okay, sir, no problem.
Thank you. Oppo A15 next. Oppo A15. I will close this video and come again on what is that Zoom. Please come again. Similarly, Redmi also. Please come again. I'll close this and come. Thank you.